So today is a super exciting day for me because this was my first time pulling an engine out of a car. It's something I've been wanting to do for a while now and I've been looking forward to it. So to be able to successfully pull the Forester's engine was definitely something to check off my bucket list. I started the process by removing the battery, airbox, and accessories, including the power steering pump, alternator, and AC compressor. Thankfully, the power steering pump and AC compressor can be removed from the engine block without disturbing the lines. This is a super nice feature, so then I don't have to deal with the refrigerant and just the pressurized power steering pump. Then my next steps were to drain the oil and coolant, remove the radiator, and disconnect all the vacuum and fuel lines from the intake manifold. Lastly, I disconnected all the electronics running from the engine to the chassis, including the main wiring harness and various sensors. After that, the engine was basically ready to be pulled besides the 8 bell housing bolts and starter and the 2 engine mount nuts underneath connected to the subframe, which I may or may not have forgotten the first time I was trying to pull this. So yeah. Picked up some chain. Should do the trick. I think it's rated for like 1,300 pounds, so should definitely pull our 250 pound motor. So let's get to it. Sweet. Let's get the cherry picker over here and start attaching her. Yeah. Not gonna lie, it took so long. Oh, first I had 2 subframe bolts that I missed. I don't know how, but I missed them. And then, whatever, just couldn't disengage the clutch fork, and then I just pushed it back like you're supposed to do, and it worked.